Okay, I'm not going to make great big fuss about natural logs, to be honest, because you can already do it. So, 2 to the x is 3, x is log to base 2 of 3. Log to base 6 of x plus 1 is 4, means that x plus 1 is 6 to the power of 4, which means x is 6 to the power of 4 minus 1, right? Good. We all know how to do that. Now, what if I hadn't chosen the number 2 in the first one? What if I had called it e instead? Well, that shouldn't be a massive problem, to be honest. The opposite of 2 to the power of is log to base 2. The opposite of e to the power of is log to base e. What about in the second one? What if it wasn't log to base 6? What if it was log to base e down there? That's fine. The opposite of log to base e is e to the power of. So we get e to the 4 instead of 6 to the 4. And the answer looks like that. E is just a number. E is 2 point something, 718 something. And I've made a video explaining where that comes from. But if you're not interested, you don't have to know. You can just know that it's a number. So what's the big fuss about? I have no idea. There's a little bit of notation, but it's quite nice, I think, because e is the natural base to use when we're doing anything to do with calculus. It's a natural base. So log to base e, we write as the natural log ln. So whenever you see ln, it means log to base e. Let's have a go at a question. So I don't know if this will work out or not. Let's just try something. So we'll have ln x plus 1 minus ln x equals 3. Okay, just for a minute, I will write it out as log to base e to help you. But after a while of using ln, you won't need to write it out as log to base e. Okay, now pretend you're in a C2 exam. What do? You use your rules of logs. Log to base e of x plus 1 over x equals 3. The opposite of log to base e is e to the power of. So x plus 1 over x is e to the 3. Multiply both sides by x. Get all your x's on one side. Ooh, run out of room. Factor out your x on the other side. And divide underneath. Done. Okay, what about this one? E to the 2x plus 7e to the x equals 0. Okay, so I've got e to the x squared plus 7 lots of e to the x. So I can pull out an e to the x plus 7. If you found that step hard, try writing it like this. Y squared plus 7y is 0. And instead of y, really it's e to the x. So that obviously factors out a y. Y brackets y plus 7 is just the y is an e to the x. Okay, so either e to the x is 0 or e to the x is minus 7. Oh, this is very sad because e to the x can never equal 0. No solutions there. And e to the x can never equal minus 7. No solutions there either. So that was sad. But normally, yeah, you can solve them. So it's exactly the same as C2, and you can check it on your calculator. So nothing new to learn apart from thing is that ln means log to base e, and that is the only new piece of information that separates C3 natural logs, that's where you've got e and ln, from C2 logs. Okay? So you can do C2 logs, so you can do C3 natural logs, done.